So look what I found in the trash today, YouTube. A 12-inch kicker CVR. Well, look what's wrong with it. Fucking light's terrible on it. But if you can see that, the lead's gone. So guess what I'm going to be doing? Just so you can see it's reading around 4 ohms. So the voice coils are still good. As you can hear too, or actually you don't hear anything when you push down on it. Coils aren't rubbing. So I'm gonna get new lead soldered up. Okay, got some light on the situation now. As you can see, this lead right here, all nasty at the end. So what I'm planning on doing is soldering a new wire that runs from right here. I'm gonna solder it off this right here of this wire, because that's a nice.
Hoes ain't shit, my hand-me-downs was too big, they buying clothes that don't fit. I'm like, it was more than fame and the credit. Feeling like my whole life I've been trying to be the freshest, respected. In a world full of kings, you pathetic. If you can't buy to find a thing before you exit, the very moment that you got it, I swear my biggest fear is that I'll die, nobody forgotten. When I was really at my best, seems like nothing left. I got these voices in my ear. They tell me get up, get up, get up. I got these voices in my ear. They tell me wake up, wake up, wake up. I got these voices in my ear. They tell me keep running, keep running, keep running. I got these voices in my ear. They tell me get money, get money, get money, get money. Breathe. Lately I've been feeling like fuck it. Heaven's in my face, but Lord knows I can't touch it. Plus I heard the angel wings was kinda heavy, scared to put them on my back, so I threw them on a Chevy. Death knocking on my.
Fucking finally. I just won the damn Super Bowl. Still stubborn piece of shit right here. This little bitch.
Now I dread it. The world ain't what it seems. Enduring all the shit to be a king. Praying for tomorrow.
Now time to get some solder on this mess.